Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is my blog. So today I'm going to show you how I made the frosting batter for the first time, and these are what I used. The first product that I used was unsalted butter. Yeah, so let's get into the video. Then you'll also need a whipping cream. I got this small one because I didn't want much cream. You'll also need icing sugar and also a flavor. I wanted vanilla flavored cake, so I used vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon. Go ahead with your hand mixer and mix first the 3 products: the butter, whipping cream and the vanilla essence. After mixing all that, you will now measure your icing sugar, but this one you can use even more of it. It will depend with how thick you want your whipping cream to be. So that was my first cup of the icing sugar. So you'll just add bit by bit as you use your hand mixer. You can see now we are almost there, but the cream is still not thick. It's still a little runny, so just add more of the icing sugar.
Something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing.
And finally I got what I wanted. So from here you can add the color of your choice and you're done. So see you guys next time, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Bye.